Lighting Trendz.
Alright everybody, what's up? Jose here at ModFX. Got Randall over here as well. A couple of guys just hanging out. Today we're going to show a quick video. We're not going to show how to do it, but we're going to show what a customer actually wanted. He wanted to make sure his DRLs turn on just like factory, switched over. When he turns his headlights on, they shut off. He also wanted to be able to use his halos whenever he wanted. So me and Randall figured that out. So we're going to go ahead and show you all those functions, and we're going to show you how we turn it off, turn it on, and it's going to be working 100%. So here you go. Alright, that's the remote start of the car. White's automatically on just like factory. And that was a boo-boo, but go ahead. Alright, now we have it on automatic, am I right? That's DRLs, automatic. Alright. Go ahead and shut those down, put it on off. Okay, that's the off functions. The DRLs are still on. Now we're gonna go ahead into the settings of the car and turn the DRL functions down. DRL functions from the computer, those are off. Okay, off. And then we're gonna, with the application, can you put your halos on in colors? Now we have the colors. Now he's able to run with this and actually put different colors on, and DRLs are not in his way. He has a Lighting Trendz kit with demon eyes. Alright, go ahead and turn the DRLs back on to the computer. And there you go, the whites came back on. The blues are still on there in the back function. Can you shut off the function from the back? And now it's regular true white. He can still run his demon eyes. And my man Justin right here was stupid happy to get that. He was a pain in the ass, but we'll go ahead and be like, yeah, he's alright.
ModFX treatment.
What do you think, Rand? We got it?
Yes, sir. So it's a pretty simple mod to do. Now you can do this with Lighting Trendz or Dial Dynamics DRL boards. We get that question all the time. You can even do it with Oracle DRL boards. And so feel free to hit us up if you need some information on how to do it, or we just wanted to show you that it is possible, because we do get that question almost every day. So until the next time, definitely want you guys to watch, like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see, and we'll be sure to keep on pushing out good content. So y'all have a wonderful day.
Peace out. Latest.